Here's how to set up WooCommerce back in stock notifications so customers can join a waitlist instead of leaving when something's sold out. You'll want to grab a plugin called Back in Stock Notifier for WooCommerce. Just go to your plugin section, search for it, and install it. The thing works right away on anything that's out of stock. Here's something that trips people up though. Go into your WooCommerce settings, hit the Products tab, then Inventory. If you've got WooCommerce hiding sold out products from your catalog, customers can't even see them to sign up for notifications. Make sure that Hide Out of Stock Items box isn't checked. Pick any product and edit it. In the Inventory section, turn on quantity tracking and set the stock to 0. Save it and then go look at that product page on your site. Where the Buy button used to be, there's now a simple email sign-up form. When someone types their email and hits that button, they're on your list. Once you change the stock number back to something above 0, everyone who signed up gets an email automatically. You can see all your wait lists by going to the Instock Notifier section in your dashboard. It shows which products people are waiting for and how many are on each list. Pretty handy for knowing what to prioritize when restocking. The plugin cleans up after itself too. Once someone gets their notification, it removes them from that list so you're not sending duplicate emails. That's really all there is to it.